Hey, okay, guys, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about how to create automated list building campaigns using banner image advertising, guys, okay? We're going to talk about how to generate more leads, referrals, sales, and signups using my traffic broker's big banner ads marketing strategy. Now, guys, what we're talking about are 3 proprietary ad placement media buy resources where you get to control the daily ad spend, stop your traffic when you want to, pause your traffic whenever you want to, change your links out anytime you desire, and this is going to be a great platform for testing, tweaking, and scaling your automated list building campaigns. Now, guys, in this video, what I want you guys to understand is there are several ways you can use my big banner ads marketing strategy, traffic brokers technique, to build your list, to generate more leads and traffic. And so let's just talk about a few of the ways we're going to be able to do it starting right now today. Number one, guys, I built the marketing system inside a platform known as Leads Leap. So one of the ways you're going to be able to create automated list building marketing campaigns using banner imagery and advertising is through the Leads Leap platform and placing banner ads inside of the platform in and of itself. So the very first thing I'm going to ask you to do is to go ahead and create a Leads Leap account so that you can get instant access to the Traffic Broker's Big Banner Ads marketing strategy and the Traffic Broker's Big Banner Ads marketing strategy marketing system. Okay, what do I mean? Well, guys, I'm going to give you the actual strategy. I'm going to give you the banners. I'm going to give you everything that you need to get started using this technique, this strategy. But I'm also going to give you a marketing system that you can use to share this incredible marketing strategy through the marketing system that I'm going to give you guys. Remember, we're talking about 3 proprietary banner ads placement media buy resources. I promise you, you guys probably have never heard of them, but you're going to really love what you're capable of doing inside of the platform. So you can follow me along, guys, as we set up the actual system. Go ahead on and create your free Leads Leap account, and I'll give you guys a few seconds to do that. Okay, guys, if you're as quick as me on the mouse, then you already did that. You created your Leads Leap account. So, guys, let's come down here and talk about how to unlock the actual strategy in and of itself, right? The Big Banner Ads marketing strategy. I'm going to click, and it's going to take us over to an actual page. It's going to actually bring you guys inside of the membership where I actually allow you guys to stand over my shoulder and watch as I start placing banner ads across these incredible networks, guys, you're going to find that can actually go out and allow you guys to use banner advertising through the magic of imagery, right? So you're going to get to stand over my shoulder and watch me do all those things. But you guys are probably a little bit skeptical about what I'm talking about, and you should be. So, guys, let me just show you a few of the examples that I've actually been able to get, or should I say the results, just over the last 3 or 4 days, guys. And these examples, by the way, continue to come in on a regular basis, guys. Now, I don't know if you guys who are familiar with the Leads Leap platform know that I use an autoresponder known as SendSteed. And if you look up here, guys, you can see that messages coming to my SendSteed account just about every single day, guys, okay? I'm always getting these messages, and I'm really only running the traffic in one of the 3 proprietary banner ads strategy, the media buy strategies that I'm talking about. But every day, guys, I get sales, I get signups, I get leads, and I get conversions. And the way that I do it, guys, is by using the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy. So we're going to jump back inside of your actual marketing system now that you guys know how to access the training. And we're going to talk a little bit more about why you guys want to get plugged into the system right now as soon as possible, right? Number one, again, you're going to be able to start advertising right inside the Leads Leap platform. If you guys already created your free account, you already know that one of the other ways you can build your list and build your business is by being a pro member inside of the Leads Leap platform. Read right under this page, you'll see just some of the incredible benefits you'll actually enjoy as a pro member. And although totally optional, who wouldn't want to get unlimited landing pages, unlimited email list subscribers, 10 pro ads, no clicking for credits, free buy traffic, and earn up to 50% commissions sharing this actual platform with other people? Well, you get to do that, guys, as a pro member. You get to market anything that you want as a free member. So it's actually a win-win situation. So I want you guys to, if you haven't already, create that free leads account. We're going to jump back over to the actual membership. I'm going to take you guys. I'm going to show you guys just a little bit of what I'm actually giving you guys right now today, absolutely free, when you set up your free Big Banner Ads marketing strategy marketing system. And you get this training once you set up. Now, let me show you guys something. I want you guys to understand this before we get to the next video. Is I'm going to actually give you guys some banners to get you kicked off, right? Because you're going to need banners to go inside of these 3 proprietary media buy banner ad placement resources, right? Now, guys, you're going to want to click this button, right? Because what I do and what I'm doing in this video is just giving you guys an overview of how that works. But when you actually click the red button right below this video, it's going to take you over to a resource where you can pick up, I don't know, guys, I'm going to venture to say over 30 different banners. Well, let me show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. So once we do that, you're going to pick up the free banners, and you're going to be able to start using these banners inside of the 3 proprietary media buy marketing resources, right? So anyway, guys, I took the liberty of creating all types of banners. I'm adding all types of banners all the time, always adding banners, guys. And so you guys are never going to run out of banner ads, the imagery, right, that we have inside of the actual membership, right? Just, you know, double click on the right of these banners. You can download them. I explain everything just in terms of downloading the banners themselves. So guys, if the leads and the traffic that I'm able to generate every single day, that you'll soon be able to start generating every single day, is going to be built inside of a system and training that you can pick up absolutely free, that means there should be 0 resistance for you guys picking it up. And right below this video, if you guys are on YouTube, go on and pick it up, right? And if you guys are actually on the actual sales page that I'm creating for the actual marketing system, which is definitely one of the top proprietary systems built inside of the traffic brokers, then go ahead on, guys, and set up your free lead slip account. Like I just said, follow the videos along so you can actually start using this exact same system to go out and market. It comes complete with its own capture page, and then you get to truly tap into an endless stream of automated list building campaigns, right? Using the actual Big Banner Ads marketing strategy. Hopefully, I'll see you guys on the next video. And I look forward to welcoming you guys as the newest member inside of Lee's League.